Hello, welcome to the Viral Smart Rotator. Now you came from this page. You want to know about the 5 programs that you can enter in while growing Live Good and GDI. So let me take you here. First of all, this is the page that you're going to come to sign up. Simply just create a username, full name, email, click You're Not a Robot, create your free account. You're probably going to have to go back to your email and validate your email, okay? Then once you do that, you'll come to your back office right here, okay? This is literally a traffic builder besides the 7 income streams. So look at this. We have all of these safe lists from one area that you can add and grow this. Now, you don't have to join all of them. Just put in there what you have or join them as over time. And this is free to join, of course. And then this is the downline builder. Right here, more traffic exchanges and ad boards. Okay. The downline builder there. Here's the traffic builder. This is 3. So there's 3 traffic spots here. And traffic zest, leads lead, I love leads lead. Okay. So these are the traffic. This helps you build your traffic. Okay. Then you go to the GDI Smart Rotator. Okay. You click the link here or here. Okay. Or if you're already in the Smart Rotator, just put your link right here and click update and scroll down a little bit. Oh, there it is. And Live Good right here. You can click there or click here. Or if you're already in Live Good, just put it in there and click update. Okay. And then there's going to be another thing right here. I didn't even realize this. This gives you 8. I'm gonna need to put another business in here. But this gives you a traffic builder for Live Good, for GDI Smart Rotator, and this gives another spot for your sponsor to put in. So this gives you 8. This is incredible. I didn't even realize that. See, I'm learning too. And then you click here to enter your details. It's like uploading a picture. They pay through PayPal. You can put if you have a blog, you can put it here, your website URL. So this comes through like your profile when people click on your profile. And then right here, edit my profile links is right there. This is all right on the start here spot. Okay, and then the setup and training. And then here's the 5. You can add any 5 of your own links of whatever you're doing, whatever you're growing right there. Okay. And this is right here. And then you go to setup and training, which there is a lot. I'm going to look at all of these right up here of setup and training. Okay. And back here, if you get confused, just go back to the start. Go back here. This is the membership levels. If you want to make grab, more credits to do advertising, because here you can see right here the advertising and set up ads, purchase advertising, lifetime banner ads here, text link banner ads, solo email ads. You can get login ads, full page surf ads, gift slots. Okay, you can redeem your promo code as welcome when you first come in. But this is what I wanted to show you, the steps. Edit your details, profile links, put the downline builder tools in there, your affiliate links in there. Okay, it's all right here, and then you can do this for free, and if you decide to upgrade your account, you can do that. There's one-time special offers right here. Okay, and that is it. And when you opt in here, and then you go back and validate your email here, okay? And if you want this system that you're looking at right here, reply to the email that comes in to this email, okay? Reply to that and ask for me to please send you the share code so you can get this and grow your list with this Viral Smart Rotator. Okay? Thank you and God bless and have a great day.